Hi everyone, welcome to another edition of QBO Tips. Do you ever find yourself entering the same transaction over and over and over again? Well, QuickBooks Online has a solution for you. Just like the desktop version, you can create memorized transactions in QBO. The difference in QBO is they call them recurring transactions. Not sure why they changed the name. Apparently they decided it was time for an update. Normally, you would click on the gear icon up here and then select recurring transactions from under the lists column here. And this takes you out to a list of all of your recurring transactions that you have created, all of the templates here. You can create a new template if you want. You can edit a current template. But there's a shortcut. From within any transaction, you can make it recurring. So I will just do an expense here quick. So if I want to make any transaction recurring, there's a little black bar down here and it says make recurring in the center. You just click that and it will take you to create a template off of the current transaction. Now if you're doing a brand new transaction like I'm here with this expense, I want to click save before I make it recurring. Why? Because the minute I click make recurring, it's going to take me to create the template and it's not going to save this transaction. So I would have to re-enter it if I didn't hit save right now. So I'll make it recurring. You can see it fills out a template name. I can just fill all of the recurring stuff out like you would normally. Give it a name. Is it scheduled? Do you just get reminded about it? Is it just there for you to use whenever? How many days in advance? Who do you pay? How you're paying it? All of the normal things. Start date, end date. I want to end after 10 occurrences. So once you're done, you save the template, and I have a brand new recurring transaction that I created on the fly. Now let's say you want to update a recurring transaction. Say the telephone bill came in, you noticed looking at the bank feed or doing your reconciliation that, well, they changed the amount on you. You don't have to come back out to this screen to do it. If I find the last one here, I can just update my amount. You know, they added an extra 10 bucks a month onto it. When I go to save this, it's going to prompt me to ask if I want to update. So do I want to update the recurring template? So if this is new going forward, I can update from all right from here instead of having to navigate out to my recurring, find it, edit it, and then save it. You can just kind of do it on the fly. Works really great if you notice something like this while you're doing your bank reconciliation. You just update it right on the fly within the reconciliation and you don't have to navigate back out. I use this feature all of the time when I am working in books. So I hope that helps you guys out, and thanks for watching.